Zoho versus Odoo, best CRM software for small businesses. So choosing the right CRM for a small business pretty much can affect how you manage leads, sales, and customer relationships. We have Zoho CRM as an example for our video, and Odoo, which are pretty popular platforms, but they take different approaches. Zoho, first of all, is focusing on sales automation and integrations, while Odoo provides a modular all-in-one business system that includes CRM plus ERP style apps. So we're gonna go ahead and explain them one by one, starting with Zoho. So first of all, Zoho CRM is a cloud-based CRM platform designed for small to mid-sized businesses that needs sales pipelines, automations, analytics, and strong integrations with other tools. With that, it includes an advanced reporting, so customizable dashboards and analytics, automation tools with affordable plans. But it does come with a few cons with the interface complexity. The setup can be confusing at first, but that's pretty normal for both tools we have for this video. The CRM focused ecosystem, so a fewer operational tools than ERP systems, and the costs can grow with the apps if you add many Zoho tools. But more on that later. We're gonna go ahead and move on to Odoo. Now, Odoo, on the other hand, is a modular open source platform that includes CRM along with dozens of other business apps like accounting, knowledge, sign-in, and definitely much more. So, it's an all-in-one platform. You have the apps that we already mentioned, not all of them, but the general idea on what should just be found in Odoo. You got the highly customizable feature. So its open source architecture allows deep customization, scalable system, so businesses can add modules as they grow, and the flexible deployment. But the setup is somewhat steeper, the limited CRM analytics compared with Zoho's reporting tools, and the cost can definitely increase with modules and customization. So if you want a final verdict, for most small businesses focused on sales and customer management, Zoho CRM is the better choice thanks to its strong integration, automation features, and affordable pricing. But if your business needs a full business management system that includes CRM accounting and inventory or even other operations in one platform, Odoo may be the better long-term solution. So you can go ahead and explore each tool if you'd like, but that is the general explanation on which should be better depending on your own preference as a small business. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.